Welcome to Naresh IT Technologies. This is Ram Chandra. In this video, we are going to discuss about one of the very important functional interface in Java 1.8, that is Java.Util.Function. The main intention of this function is it will requires one input data and doing some operation on top of that input and finally giving some output. Okay. Now, the input and output may be what same types, or we can take what here different types. So, this is the basic syntax related to functional interface. At the rate of functional interface, here we have public interface name is what function, interface name is function, and it is allows two types of data, okay. What is this T and R, and it is having one method like apply taking one input and finally giving one output, okay, finally giving, it is an abstract method. So, let me take return type as R. Now, this is the basic syntax of a functional interface, which contains one method like apply, okay. Now, this apply requires one input, and on top of the input we are performing some operation, that operation result we are giving back to caller, nothing but this apply method is going to give some return type. So, how to work with this function interface? Basically, this function interface using by map method of a stream object, So, before understanding a map method of a stream object, we should understand what is a functional interface, like what is the function interface. So, function is one functional interface, okay. Now, how to work on top of this functional interface? Very simple, keep concentrate. I have one class like a test. In the test class, I am taking one function, this is an interface. Now, I am writing here interface which is going to allow a string and which is returns what here integer. First parameter behave like a first parameter type, behave like a what here input type. This is the input and this is what your output. Now, I am taking like a f equal to, yes, this is the lambda is going to replace it with the method like apply internally. It is allows one input data, what is that input data string type, and every lambda is going to end with the semicolon. Now, it is going to return some value. Now, here it is going to return some integer. What is that integer value? Very simple, length of, very simple, what is that? Length of the string, Now, function is one interface which is available in the package like import Java.Util.Function, yes. Now, here I am going to write x.length. So, we are giving one input. What is that input type? String. On top of that input data, what we are doing? Some operation. What is that operation? Finding the length, and that length we are returned to the person who called to what is this method. Now, the syntax which is calling to this method, that syntax, this method will giving the return value to that syntax. For example, here the syntax is what here f dot apply. What I am writing? Ram Chandra. So, instead of writing the string directly, let me go with one more Java.Util.Object, that is observe here, enter some string value. If you want to read the data from the keyboard in the comfortable manner, we are always go with what? Scanner class. Now, I am creating an object for scanner class, scan equal to new scan equal to new scanner system.in. This is available in the util package, good. Now, I am reading the data string s equal to scan dot next, that yes we forwarding to what here apply. and this is ended with the semicolon. This is what your calling statement. Whenever we calling this method like apply by passing s will go and place it into where x. Now here find out the length of the x and finally return the value. That value will come and place it into in this syntax. Now here I am taking one variable length of string is my variable name. Just a simple I am printing system.out.println the length of the given string is very simple. What I am writing here, length of string, good, length of string, very simple. Let me execute this program. Yeah, enter some string Ram Chandra, total is 10 characters. Now let me execute the same program one more time. What is that? Naresh I technology. So like this we will get what are 20 characters. So find out, for example, simple word like Ram. So how many characters are there? 3 characters. So we will get 3. So here I enter like RAM, totally 3. Okay na? So this is the way we can able to work on function. Basically the main intention of the functional interface, for every input there is an output. For every input there is an output. So that means this is maintaining one-to-one relation. This is maintaining internally what here, one-to-one. For every input there is an output. Okay. Now, so this type of functionality internally, this type of functionalities are using by map method of a stream object. Anyhow, we will see those type of things in the stream API videos. Now observe guys, here I am taking what here, different type. Either you can take same type or you can take what here, different type. Let me work on different same types. Integer, what is that? Integer, good. Now here I am taking like F1. Here I am writing like open and closed parenthesis, okay, and open and closed curly braces and ended with what here, semicolon. Now here I am writing like return x into x for every input. I am giving some square of the input. Now what I am writing here, very simple. Now I am taking int I. So let me write one SOP statement. System.out.println enter some integer value. Now int x equal to int, otherwise int var equal to. Now what I am writing here, f1 dot, not f1, scan dot next int method. Now this value I am sending to which method? Apply method. Where exactly apply method is there? In the lambda expression. That lambda expression will internally replace it with a method like apply. So here f1 dot apply of var, what it will returns? Square. It will return square of the input. That I am placed into where? Square. Now whatever the value which we entered in the keyboard, that value reading by next int method, that will be placed into var and finally hand over to apply. For example, if I enter like a 10 will be read by next int and placed into var and sending to apply method. So the 10 will place it into where? X into x, 100. Finally 100 will come and place it into where? Square. Now let's print the data. System.out.println the square of the given number is, now let me write here square. Yes, let me execute the program. Given string Naresh IT, totally 8 characters. Now enter integer value. What I am enter? 100. Square is what here? 10,000. 100 square is what here? 10,000. So for every input to data, apply giving what here? One output. That is the functionality of functional interface. This is makes using by one method. That is what here? Map method under the stream object. More and more we will see about the function and related functionalities in next videos. Okay, I hope you understand the programming concept related to function. For more videos, please subscribe Naresh IT channel. Thank you.